welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make a carousel on Squarespace. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Squarespace. Okay, this one. Now you'd be able to see this first website, so you just have to click on it. Okay, and then if you don't have an account yet, you just have to click on the get started, and then you just have to sign up for an account. Okay, so we are ready on our dashboard. So these are the website that we have created months ago. So yeah, we're just going to ignore that. Now right here on the other tab, we also have the app site. So the app site is the one that we are going to use so that we can create a carousel on our Squarespace website. Okay, so here on Squarespace, you just have to click on the create website option, and then another tab will open. So right here, you just have to search for your site topic. For example, food business. So you have a food and drink. So we are going to search for that, and then you just have to click on this option. Okay, and then here, what do you want to do with your website? So publish a blog or other media, sell products, sell services, offer a contact form, promote a physical business, can also sell membership, build community, get appointments, sell online courses, and more. So here I'm just going to select the sell products. That's right, and then publish a blog or other media, sell services. So you just have to check all of that applies. Okay, next you just have to click on finish. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, now our website is getting ready, so you just have to wait. Now here on outside, you also have to sign up for an account. Okay, so you don't have to worry because outside also has a free plan, so you don't need to pay before you can use the app. Now, what is your site about? So choosing a topic will help personalize your website building experience. So photography, art, or yeah, so I'm just going to type it right here, food. Okay, so I'm just going to select this one and then click on next. Okay, so we're already done with this step. And then you just have to choose a site title and brand personality. So maybe just gonna type out food once again. Okay, and then I'm just going to select friendly for the brand personality. Okay, so here you just have to build your homepage. So we have intro section, product section, services section. So I'm just going to select all of the recommended section, and then click on next after that. Now you just have to add pages to your site. So yeah, I'm just going to select about, contact, shop, services. Now for the color palette, so you just have to choose the color palette for your website. So I think this one is good, so I'm just going to use this one or this one. Okay, and then click on next after that. Okay, you just have to choose a font pairing. So these custom pairings were curated by the designer. So there are other font options you can explore later. So I'm just going to select that one. Okay, now gathering your pages, saving your colors and fonts, and then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so now that our website is ready, what we are going to do now is to add here a carousel. Okay, so if you want to add a new section, so you just have to simply click on it. So just go to the pages. So if you want to add a page or a section, so you just have to simply click on that option. Now let's go to the outside. So right here, I'm just going to search for a button, okay, or a widget. So here I'm just going to click on select widget. So I'm just going to delete this existing one. Okay, and then click on delete widget. Okay, so I'm just going to create a new one. And then here, just have to choose a template. So for the template, I am going to search for a slider template. Now, when you clicked on it, you'd be able to see here the different carousel that you can use. So we have infinite carousel, infinite monochrome carousel, logo slider, logo grid. Also have dark infinite carousel. We also have partners. We also have logo tile carousel, logo tile grid. So you just have to choose what do you think is the best for your website. So for this one, I'm just going to select the infinite carousel. After that, you just have to click on continue with this carousel. Okay, and of course, you can now customize your content. So you can add your own logos, you can add your header. So if you want to show the header, you can also customize the call to action. Okay, and then for the layout, we have sticker, we have carousel, so we have grid. So I'm just going to use the sticker. Okay, and then we also have the style right here, so you just have to select your style. After that, you just have to publish this section. Okay, and then after that, you just have to share this one. So now that you are done, all you have to do is to click on the view plans option. Okay, so we have this free plan, right? So just have to close this section. So after that, you just have to go back here, click on the three dots, and then click on the embed code option. Okay, so you just have to copy the code. Now go back here on your Squarespace website, and then you just have to add a new section. So just add a new section. That's right. So yeah, just going to add a blank section. Okay, and then just going to change the color of this section. Okay, so I'm just go to the colors so that we can see the difference. Okay, and then you just have to add a black. That's right, and then we have here the embed or the code. I'm just going to click on the code, and then you have to paste here the code. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it and then paste here your code. That's right, and then you just have to close it. After that, you have successfully added here now your carousel. So you just have to make a little adjustment. As you can see, we have this save preview at the top. Just because we have not subscribed to a plan on the outside, but if we have subscribed, then we can successfully add here the full feature of the outside. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.